trick this man right here.
I like Jason's balls. I like
What? Hey!
No.
Hey. Hey. It sucks. What? Puppet soap. What the fuck?
You don't know the rubber.
How are you feeling today?
Confident, bro.
You even shaved a bit.
I did.
That
I'm ready to get rejected.
shaved.
Air hose
I
better.
always like Jason's balls.
What the fuck?
I am Oliver. I lick Jason's balls every night when he sleeps. He likes it. He likes it very much.
Drinks now, ice. Ice now. Sandali ka, ama. Masyado.
Wala naman. Uy, wala to. Mga pre.
What?
Wala ba sa yan?
Is that yours?
Food showcase.
Yes. Hey, don't worry. Yeah. Is there a banana here? No. Oh, well, bad. What else is that? Prickles.
Oh yeah, Britos.
Sprinkle.
All I swear.
My stomach does not feel well. My stomach does not feel well.
Then don't eat it yet.
I want to.
Your choice. Did you drink, what do you drink? Coke? Oh, Mountain Dew?
ready?
Go. One. Ito lang, malapan.
Go Song Jin Woo mode.
Nan tayo. Madaya eh.
Oh, third round. Oh, I miss it.
Ikaw ba yan?
What the? Sign mo. Sign.
Mag-sign.
Ikaw din.
Ikaw muna, you sign first.
Why me?
I'll take a video.
Okay, thank you.
Diyan kayo, alam niyo. Hoy, picture na tayo, may sarili kayo picture.
Boys, saan kayo? Umupo sa harap! Likod! Yung girls! Wow! Dali!
Dali na!
Kaya mo naman ang
Saan ba?
Dito ka, oh. Dito kayo, nag-isang linya tayo. Umupo sa harap, boys. Doon yung tingin sa clock. Oh my God! Ganyan na. Oh my God!
Ayos na!
I sit over here.
Ayos na araw ka. Ay, sorry. Okay, makinig muna. May share po sa atin ang senior high school AGT. Ayan. So, good morning po sa inyo lahat. We are from the AGT track. And andito po kami para sana i-invite kayo sa mini exhibit namin mamaya na entitled Go With The Flow, an artistic tribute to Vincent Van Gogh. So, parang may ganap dito is magkakaroon kami ng art exhibit na inspired kay Vincent Van Gogh. So, anong oras nga ba ito? Magsa-start kami ng 11:30 a.m. sa room 214. So, ini-encourage namin lahat na pumunta dito, lalo na sa mga interested na mag-AGT next year kasi magiging masayang experience to para sa inyo and para rin may happy na kayo. So, kung ano yung magiging experience sa AGT. So, bayad lang din yun ng 5 pesos, pero na kayo music mo. Ayun lang naman. So, I hope na makasama kayo mamaya. Thank you po. Boys, yung iba dito, pantay. Ano ba? Oh, yung iba dito, hindi pantay. Ayaw mo ba? Ayaw mo? Ayan na lang, metas. Yung iba dito, hindi nga pantay.
Where are you? Thanks for the song.
Ay, nako. Isa ko. Guys, kayo na lang spread out. Ang hirap kausap ng lalaki. Hindi na kayo dyan. Iniayos ko na nga eh. Spread out na kayo. Girls. Kayo na mag-spread out. Kayo na mag-spread out. Yan. Yan. Oh, Gipo, dito ka na. Diyan. Upo ka na dyan. Okay. Oo, kayo dyan. Tigay dito dyan. Pag ano kayo, window. Okay? Ayusin mo sa akin.
Si ano?
Si ano?
Si ano nga?
Sit at the please. You hide there.
Yeah. I'll pretend.
Maghintay ako dito sa kanto.
Ready ka? Ready?
Doon ka lang, doon ka lang.
San ba?
Here.
Dito?
Basta, dyan, doon ka lang.
Aben.
Tapos na, share nyo.
Oo na. Fuck you, I want that video.
No, fuck that.
Nakabukas ba ka?
Oh.
Ay, ayoko, may langoy yun.
They should drink it.
May data ka?
Wala.
Grade 10 ka? Kailan ang practice nyo?
Until when?
Tomorrow.
Yung June 8 po yung graduation natin, yung ceremony. But
Practice.
this week, Wednesday po.
Wednesday. Starting morning and after the afternoon.
I'm not sure po. I think so. Okay, where are you guys going?
Mall.
Can I join?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Where?
Mall.
That doesn't specify. What mall?
Mall.
SM Mall?
Yes, yes, sir.
Fuck.
Your choice.
Until when?
This way.
Yeah, what time?
This way.
How much is the fare? I forgot. 20 pesos?
200.
200 to go? What do you mean?
200. If it's taxi.
You're going to take taxi?
Of course.
Yeah. I only got 100 pesos to my name.
You're gonna be bored. It's better than nothing.
What are you guys even gonna do there?
Mall.
And do what?
Something.
What, just loiter?
Yes.
Does that justify the Last time. Hindi na tayo makapag-volleyball dito.
Sabi niyo, practice pa tayo.
Nagpagalitan na to, uy.
Tara, dito.
What is she wearing? Do you know what she's wearing? Shit. I can't hold this.
If I get rejected.
Okay lang yan. You don't know if you don't try. Walang harm dyan.
Problema, wala talaga akong data.
Ask Bustadre again. He's here.
Ah, galing.
What? Ask that. He's here. Ask him for data. Sadre, this is for C. You know who C is? Well, it's the last day. It doesn't matter. It's the last day.
Matters.
What is he gonna do? That's the last day. What?
Wow,
Last
dala pa
day.
ng royal.
Let's scare the crap out of me. It's the last day. Ano yung again? There's no harm.
Magbibega kami.
Oy, I need to be here.
Hi.
Saan? Where are you guys meeting? Ano ba? Oh. Currently, we are waiting for Chloe. Right now, I don't know what she looks like exactly, like a good look. Well, I know she has like glasses and stuff, short hair. That's about it. So I'm just going through my. Well, technically, I'm supposed to be like. I'm not supposed to be here right now. Oh wait, she's here. What happened? What the hell happened?
Hindi ko kaya.
Ano ba yan? Last day na, wala na. No more. Wala nang chance dito. Wala na.
Isa pa.
Saan na?
Hindi lang.
Come on. Oy. Kaya mo yan. Saan na? Ano pa? Oy. Kaya mo yan. If you can't do it, give me half of that donut. Oh, you fuck. Come on. Then do it.
Nakakabaw na ako.
Ayan. What did you get by a car? Wala na. Wala na. Wala nang chance. Ano ba yan? Mobile. Ano ba yung problema? Ano ba? Psy ka? Walang
Dead,
confidence?
bro. Matay na lahat ng order dito.
Come on! Saan yung confidence mo sa umaga? Wala na.
Naubos.
Ayan. Ay, di wala na. Wala nang chance. We can do it in Messenger kasi that's weird, though. It has to be face. Oh, it has to be face to face. If you confess your love face to face, it's said that the person you're confessing to will have a likely chance to say yes than in text because they can see you. Oh. Ano, wala na.
Hanggang pa siya sa stage, di ba?
I don't know. I forgot how she looks like again. I did see her by. No, I don't think so. Just say go now. Even if it's just put there in the letter. Write mo na lang. Come on. I'm fine with it even if it's just a letter to her. Okay lang yan. Ano ba? I'll deliver it to her. How about that? You write her what you want, I deliver it to her. That way, there's a chance. Ano ba? Come on. I'm right here. I am right here with you.
What if I get rejected?
I'll still be here. Oh, what? I don't count as your friend. I'm not gonna do anything. Ano ba yan?
Nakakabang.
Just go up to her, say what you want to say, and then whatever she wants to say, she'll say it. If she needs time, let her have time. If she's gonna say no, then she has to say no. If she'll say yes, then she'll say yes. There.
Hanggang ba siya?
I don't know. Yes.
Ano nagawa?
Talking to her friends.
Nakita ka?
Oh.
Mami.
Come on! Just write, okay, how about this? You write here in my notebook. Na lang. You write there in my notebook what you want to say. How about that? And I give it to her. Come on!
Go!
You have to get this out now. Oh, well.
Nakalitis sila?
Oh. So you have to say it now. Oh, well. You're gonna have to leave for the mall. Come on! If you're gonna be bottling up these feelings, and the next thing you know, you're gonna regret it.
Tapo ko lang. Saan sa kanila? Ikaw, gusto mo? Halika. Naya ka. Ha? Ayan o, katabi mo. Ayun, in-helicopter. Naubusan na.
Remind me. What?
Alam mo, may test ko.
Ano yung movies? Hindi ako nililigo.
Pinunta ko lang talaga sa aircon. Nawala.
Wala hindi.
Asan ba yun? Wala yun.
Sila doon? Hindi ako ano. Si... Nilulo po. Ha? Hindi mo pinasign eh. Ano sa sign ako eh, ayaw eh. Bruh.
Right. Tight. What? What am I supposed to do? I'm bored. I just tagged along. I have no money. I tagged along with these guys and then that's it.
You go with Mata daw.
No.
Kaninong group ka? Doon ka sa group na to o dito sa group na to?
I don't know. I'm torn between the two.
Mga kapitbahay lang talaga ako. Kaya ko rin hindi.
Sa iba po ko ito na.
Don't mind me.
Paano mo mag-conti? Kanina mag-conti mo sa akin.
Pero ano,
You still have the paper that you wrote? Show them.
Paano mo mag-conti? Ayaw ako dun. Paano mag-conti? Ano na sabihin mo? Reject mo na ako gano'n.
yun, i-reject din mo. Ayaw ako eh.
Paano maganda sa kapatid mo rin? I need your approval as your sister.
Ano, hindi ba nag-approve na yan? Hindi drawing ang
Kumain na daw yun. Binigyan lang ako ng donut.
Just alone here in this massage chair. They're doing karaoke right now, but it's only 3 to 4 persons only. So we're a group of 9, if I'm correct. So I'm not allowed to go there. So just waiting here. I mean, it's not like it'll matter, I guess. I won't be really singing. I'll just be watching because I'm kind of sick. So, I mean, even if I wasn't, I don't know. I still want to sing anyways. It is there in that brick wall room place. I don't even know how long I'll stay here. I'm thinking of just leaving, but I'm unsure. They're leaving. Wait a minute. Are they leaving? It's not ending. Lagyan natin ng sad face. Sad face. Saan kaya yung ano? Yung prom?
yung front plaza.
Saan?
Hindi lang ako.
Ngayon yata yung hotel eh. Balik na ko yung hotel. Ba't sumama ka na gago?
Ilang pera?
Free bowling, free golf, free 5k ka ka eh.
Okay.
Yung pera mo, 1 po yung ano.
Hindi oh.
Ang bagal. May
Kaya-
ano, may free golf, may ano, may bowling, may swimming pool. May ano, may pagkain, may buffet.
Yung isa na business yan. So sana ano? Ano ba? Ano so? Pero na yan.
Hindi ko lang ba?
Hindi ko kasi nag-join team eh.
Nakahablo ka?
All black. Doon no, para sa pagkain.
Hindi, first time kasi sa'yo. Hindi ko pa alam yung ganun.
Kaya may sasayaw din.
Natin na galit. Hindi na sa akin.
Dito ka pa rin ba next year? Dito ka pa rin. May ba nung grade school mga kasama tropa mo sa Philip?
Oo.
Naalala ko yung nagaw niya yung phone case ko eh.
Oo eh.
Oo. Sabi niya, susumbong ko na. Hindi na nga cellphone. Ayun ko, ba't ako nairito doon? Phone case lang naman eh. Sure bro. Go. Site. Tapos tumakainin ako doon sa site. At least ano, napaka-unhinged ka ng gano'ng kilo.
Napakaligaan. Paano?
Hindi ako legal eh.
Baharot.
So,